Welcome everybody to the Bitcoin Minute. I'm your host, Joseph Wagner. It is Sunday, October the 13th, 2019. It's 8 o'clock in Honolulu, Hawaii, making it 2 a.m. in New York. You see that the death cross that we were thinking would be likely to occur last week did occur, in fact, this weekend. And we can see that we did get a gap to the downside, smaller than I expected. Nonetheless, we're trading at $8,310 at the moment on the CME. And I actually want to bring your attention to a Heikin Ashi chart. Now, this Heikin Ashi has a different retracement than what I am used to putting out. It actually starts way back here at the end of 2018. All-time low since trading on the futures markets at $3,111, up to the same high, give or take $10. And it's very interesting to me to see that I think these retracements line up maybe a little bit better. If this auto wave has anything to say about it, it makes a lot of sense. Wave count would be correct in my eyes anyways. And speaking about this auto wave feature, one of the things that gave it such validation to me was the fact that it happened to start this wave one right at the same point in which I chose to start this longer term retracement. And harmonics are always a beautiful thing, not only in music. So there are two ways we could look at this wave count. Either we are still in a corrective wave 2, and that would be for certain if and when we break below the 0.618% retracement of wave 1. Now, this could be the start of a wave 3, and if it was, we'd be able to project where that wave would end. One of the methods would be simply an extension of 1.618 of wave 1. For the time being, we have no way of saying for sure whether this is still a wave 2 or the beginning of a wave 3. Keep our eyes glued and look at the shorter term model, which is what I am bringing up right now. This is a 240-minute chart, meaning each candle, and this is also a Heikin Ashi, is 4 hours long. Now, if you notice, we have another death cross in here, meaning that the 20-day moving average crossed over the 40-day moving average. The gap has been widening ever since, call it September 26th. And we did a downward regression from the 20-day moving average that the upper trend line of this linear regression is serving or acting as resistance at the moment, and it's projecting lower prices. With all of that said, on this shorter term Heikin Ashi, we can see that it came out of a very hard downtrend and is actually making higher highs and higher lows recently. So we can't rule out the fact that Bitcoin futures may show a recovery from this point. So we will just have to see over the next few days and possibly weeks where it wants to go bit by bit. This has been Joseph Wagner. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next week.